Colonel, we have to remind you, ayan na naman tayo.
Chairman,
We want to protect the organization, but of course, kapag may mga nakikita kami nagsisinungaling, pasensya na po kayo, but we have to reform the organization. Pero dito, dapat hindi ka babago-bago ng mga statement mo, kasi nahuhuli tayo sa ganyan eh. Be precise on your answer. If you don't really know yet the answer, be sure that you will tell us that you are not yet sure sa mga sagot mo. Para hindi naman po kami magkaroon ng feeling that we are being fooled dito sa hearing.
Okay, go ahead, Congressman Fernandez, if you still have one question to ask.
Mr. Chair.
Wala pa. So, Congressman Busita, while
you.
Congressman Fernandez is thinking of what question is going to ask, I'd like to
Thank you, Mr.
recognize you
Chair.
now.
Colonel Patay, less than a year ka nag-station chief sa Station 6 QCPD. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
During your assignment in Station 6 QCPD, ilan yung target accomplishment ninyo weekly on anti-illegal drugs?
Actually, we don't have target, Your Honor. It depends on the information that will be coming in our office.
Okay, kung wala kayong target accomplishment, more or less, ilan ang accomplishment ninyo weekly?
I cannot give the exact numbers, Your Honor, because it's been a long time ago.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair.
Wala kayong quota?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala. And you're not pressured to produce?
Not pressured, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Mr. Chair, I'm sorry, may nalimutan lang po ako.
Sige po.
If I may. Colonel Patay, during your assignment in Station 6, nabigyan ka ba ng award, Best Officer or Best Station Chief?
I have awards, Your Honor, but I cannot give the exact award that was given to me.
Okay. Sa palagay mo, mga ilang beses kang nabigyan ng award?
I cannot count. I cannot give you the exact numbers, Your Honor.
So yung award na ito, lahat related sa anti-illegal drugs operations, right?
Not all, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Chair, pwede po bang mapag-submit natin ang director ng QCPD dun po sa awards na na-receive ni Colonel Patay during his assignment in Station 6? Mr. Chair?
Are you making a motion on that? There's a motion here. No objection? Here, none.
Ito, last na po, Mr. Chair.
Oo.
Colonel Patay,
Bagay. Ang tanong ko lang, in relation to question, were you assigned as the Batasan Station Commander and you were directed to go and arrest those drugs, pushers, whatever it might be? May assignment ka bang ganun?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Okay. Go ahead, Congressman Fernandez.
Okay, last na po to, Mr. Chair, at I will give way to Congresswoman Franz Castro. Meron kasi nabanggit dito, Colonel Patay, na binanggit mo. Ang sabi mo rito, we are very angry about people involved in drugs. Patay told Reuters, raising his voice and spitting out the words for emphasis. We want to crush them. That's our indoctrination. Ang tanong ko, merong indoctrination na nangyayari during that time?
Wala po, Your Honor.
So you deny these words?
Yes, Your Honor.
Reuters, kayo ba kapag nag-interview kayo, nire-record nyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have a record of this?
I don't have because
I
I
mean
was not the one who interviewed Colonel
Yes,
Patay.
I know. But those people who have interviewed Colonel Patay use a recording device or ano? Can you kindly ask them
Yes,
if they have
Your Honor.
the recording equipment that was involved during the interview? Can you ask them?
I will try, Your Honor.
Okay, because
I
Colonel
have,
Patay, if you are lying under oath in this committee, we will be compelled talaga to cite you in contempt. So if that interview that was done with you during that time involve a recording device or cellphone or whatever, malalaman mo yun, di ba? So, was there a device to record all your interviews?
I could not remember the
Okay.
exact interview, Your Honor.
But you are telling us that
There
yung
was
mga
an
nakasulat dito ay walang katotohanan.
Hindi ko po matandaan po, Your
Kanina
Honor.
sabi mo walang katotohanan
You
eh.
deny it.
Tapos ngayon sinasabi mo ano, Colonel, we have to remind you, ayan na naman tayo.
Chairman,
We want to protect
Just
the
interject.
organization, but of course, kapag may mga nakikita kami nagsisinungaling, pasensya na po kayo, but we have to reform the organization.
There is an
Colonel.
interjection of
Colonel,
Congressman
be
Karat.
truthful. Kung sinabi mo yun during that time, you were so eager to cleanse the
Chairman,
di ba? Kung talagang nasa puso mo nalilinisin yung ginagawa, it's your right. But of course, under the rule of law, dapat tama. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kaya-
There may be emphasis, Your Honor.
Pero dito dapat hindi ka babago-bago ng mga statement mo kasi nahuhuli tayo sa ganyan eh.
Yes, Your Honor.
And we are counting on the words that you have manifested in this hearing. And so with you, Manuel Mugato, we are Mr. Chair, I move that we subpoenaed the article or the recording device that was used by the routers on that interview that was done with Colonel Patay. I
There's
so
a
move.
motion. Hearing any objection? Hearing none,
Chair-
same is approved.
Chairman-
Congressman Karat, do you have any interjection?
no, Mr. Chairman, I will not oppose the motion made by the good chairman of the Public Order and Safety. But yung question of subpoena, sinasabi na nga ni Mr. Mugato na wala siyang hawak ngayon yan. Kahit yung Reuters, mayroon ba? Kaya yun yung problema. Now, Mr. Chairman, to be fair, at ako, sinasabi ko lagi, to ask pa Colonel Patay, sino bang pumalit sa'yo doon? Kasi nagpatayo pa ako ng gym dyan eh. Ako nagpasilitate ng gym. Diyan ngayon na nakatayo. Because I've been supporting the police. Pero sigurado ako hindi sa time mo. Baka yung pumalit sa'yo. But Mr. Chairman, just to be fair to everyone, at saka doon sa mga resource persons, the burden of proof for Colonel Patay to confirm or will be pitted with regards to that accusation is Mr. Mugato, not Colonel Patay. He has to produce the document or else hearsay yan. Diba? Hindi pwede dito na, of course, sabihin mo si Colonel Patay, ganitong sinabi niya, blah, 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 siya. But where's your proof? Diba? Yeah, it's the burden of proof is with Manuel Mugato, Mr. Chairman, not with Colonel Patay. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
That's why, Mr. Mugato, we're not referring to subpoena you, but we are asking Roter to provide because Roter has a record of it. Can you do that, Mr. Mugato?
Your Honor, maybe the committee can write Reuters about this.
Okay, we're going to write a letter. We'd like to find out if what you're saying is true and that Colonel Patay here is actually denying the truthfulness of your account. So once again, I'd like to ask Colonel Patay, are you denying it or you do not know?
I cannot,
Cannot remember. Are you denying it now? Because a moment ago you were denying that you said it. Now you cannot remember. So what is true here?
Your Honor, I cannot exactly remember the words that I uttered, Your Honor.
So therefore you were actually rejecting your first statement that you're denying that you said it.
Yes, Your Honor, the accuracy of the statement, Your Honor.
Because look, I will not hesitate to make a motion to contempt you. I will not hesitate to arrest you here and be one of the congressmen in this Congress. Oh, I'm not going to hesitate to arrest you and put you in anong tawag doon?
Custody.
In custody in this house. Because look, nakakalito ka na. Kanina, dinenay mo yon. Tinanong ka ni Congressman Fernandez. Ngayon, you said you do not even know. So what are you doing to us here? See, I'd like you to remember, Colonel Patay, that we have been elected by the people to investigate. You know, This might not be a court. See? Because we're doing it in a legislation, yet we have the authority to investigate. And because of that, we have the authority to arrest and put you in contempt. So what are you saying now?
Your Honor, I cannot remember the exact words, Your Honor.
Mr. Chairman, no, since the Colonel Patay is trying to change his manifestation a while ago, let it be a reminder to him that in the next query of any member of this committee, be precise on your answer. If you don't really know yet the answer, be sure that you will tell us that you are not yet sure sa mga sagot mo, para hindi naman po kami magkaroon ng feeling that we are being fooled dito sa hearing. And I think, Mr. Chairman, let's give him another chance, no? Since nag-manifest naman po siya na hindi na niya matandaan. Actually, meron pa akong tanong dito pero I don't want to ask you anymore. I just wanted to subpoena first yung mga dokumento na galing talaga sa routers. Kung meron talaga ngayong ni-record, para at least we can verify the answer of Colonel Patay. No?
So, Mr. Bugato, what is your answer to the query of Congressman Fernandez?
I'm not in a position to ask for the record. Maybe the committee can directly write to Reuters.
We're going to write a letter to Reuters and we'll hand it to you to give to them, okay? Because look, marami ka nang sinabi dito nung first hearing pa
Okay.
ang hirap niyan, nakikinig kami sa'yo, tapos wala kami makitang proof na sinasabi mo. O baka ikaw ay sa mga marites dyan. Okay? Pwede ba? Para naman maniwala ang taong bayan na totoo sinasabi mo.
Yes, Your Honor, because I'm basing my testimony
Mr.
based on the
Bugato,
Reuters report.
Kawawa naman tong si Colonel Patay, if you're accusing him of more than 100 people under his watch that have been killed because of the war on drugs, then you don't even have a record of it. Kawawa po naman to na pinagbibintangan natin na wala kayong proof. So nais namin makuha yung ebidensyang yan. So we're going to write a letter, Comsec, about that, okay?